Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started.
Shit! Oh, shit!
God damn it!
A strategic fall lying across the fence as if to declare, "This is my spot." The tree fell straight into the house, destroying the peaceful atmosphere in an instant. The homeowner looked at the rubble and sighed. Wow, the falling branch was not only powerful but also well aimed, breaking the roof of the house. With amateur tree sawing skills, the man turned a simple job into a dangerous performance. The tree's impact hit the fence, turning it into a pile of splinters.
Yikes!
Wow, the treetop fell at an unexpected speed, creating a heart-stopping moment. Luckily, the worker dodged it in time. Oh my God, the tree fell with great force, destroying a corner of the roof as if to leave its mark. The tree trunk suddenly broke, throwing the man to the ground in an instant. Uh-oh, before succumbing to gravity, the tree delivered one last blow, taking down the entire machine as a final victory. Uh-oh, the car knocked down a large tree, turning it into a pile of wood chips in the blink of an eye. But the joy was short-lived as the car flipped over.
Okay, folks, if you need your trees trimmed, he needs some part-time work.
Oh no, the guy stood on the branch he was sawing, as if challenging Newton's laws. Hopefully he had calculated carefully. The brave worker swung like Tarzan, intending to move to another tree, but unexpectedly miscalculated and crashed straight into the tree, causing great pain. Oh no, the branch seemed to fall exactly as planned, but ended up landing on the fence. The bear leisurely climbed up the tree while the man above kept shouting as if to say, "I did nothing, don't come up here." The palm tree's fall was an impressive performance, leaving viewers in awe. However, the astonishment quickly turned to worry. With this fall, the road is blocked. An innocent clothesline suddenly became a victim when a tree branch suddenly fell. Clothes flew everywhere, and the homeowner could only sigh. The branch landed with unexpected force, knocking the ladder over and pulling the man to the ground. This chain fall must have hurt him and made him more alert. The group of people joined forces to pull the tree, but when they reached the door, everything came to a halt. The door was too narrow, the tree was too big, and everyone just looked at each other in confusion. Oh my God. As soon as the log fell, the worker lost his balance, staggered, and fell freely in an instant. This unexpected fall would definitely make him think more carefully next time. treetop fell like a strong tug, dragging the man down with it. The scene was both heart-stopping and chaotic, and will surely leave a lasting lesson in safe tree cutting. The dramatic collision between the log and the worker made everyone around worried. Fortunately, the safety rope did its job, keeping him safe.
Here it comes.
The large tree fell down, destroying the roof in an instant, leaving a gaping hole that no one expected. The crane not only lifted the large log, but also specially favored the worker by pulling him up high. Cutting down a tree seemed like a simple job, but a slight miscalculation caused the tree to fall straight onto the house.
Jump!
He pulled down the tree, but unexpectedly pulled the worker along with him. He must be thinking, is this pulling down the tree or dragging me into trouble? The tree fell with such sudden force that the worker lost his balance and fell. The dangerous fall left everyone who witnessed it in shock. The sudden fall of the Christmas tree left everyone standing there in shock, then bursting out laughing. The tree has fallen, but the Christmas spirit remains. The determined tree climbing ended in a free fall, when the rope suddenly assisted the girl to land quickly. Luckily, he reacted in time and dodged to the side before the tree fell. Oh no, the tree fell down, causing the worker to lose his balance, creating a heart-stopping moment. Luckily, he was able to hold on to a nearby support. With a perfect shot of direction, the tree landed straight on his car. The branch seemed sturdy, but it turned out to be a trap. The guy fell straight into the water in surprise.
That bad boy's coming down.
Wow, the log fell without warning, hitting the fence with such force that it broke it. The tree fell with unstoppable force, and the innocent table became the unwilling victim.
Here she goes.
Oh no, the tree crashed straight into the house next door, destroying everything in an instant. The homeowner stood there looking at the rubble in amazement. This surprising chain fall will definitely make him consider standing near a tree next time. Oh my God, the tree trunk fell with great force, dragging the worker into an unwanted free fall.
Fais gaffe. Allez. Voilà. Voilà.
Uh-oh, the tree decided to break the rules, falling straight into the house instead of away. Seeing the damaged roof, the homeowner could only sigh. The group struggled to pull the tree down, hoping to make it fall as planned, but the tree backfired, falling off course and hitting the car. Wow, the fall of the big tree not only shook the whole area, but also destroyed part of the house. Despite attempts to pull and steer, The tree decided to fall toward the house, destroying both the plans and the roof. Oh no, instead of falling gently, the tree chose the car as its landing spot, with enough force to turn the car into a twisted pile of metal. The branch fell with such force that it threw both the man and the ladder far away. The chaos was sure to stay with him forever.
It's not stop.
The guy eagerly swung the rope like Tarzan, but unexpectedly landed straight on the tree in front. The sound of a thud was painful. The tree fell with a mighty crash, and the unfortunate man became the landing point. The tree stump launched a perfect retaliation, landing straight on the guy's sensitive area. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.